Today we're in our 2022 Land Rover Discovery Sport. It's an SCR Dynamic, and we're going to change the cabin filter. So the way this is done is horribly designed, but the first thing you do is you take off this panel here. I'll show you how to do this. And rumor has it you can slide it out here. It is right up in here. And in fact, you can slide it out. It's really hard to get to, but you can get it out of there. To get it, you release those 3 white tabs in there. I'm going to do that now. One, 2, 3. And you have to do it blind, which is great. Love it. Hold this a little loose to get this out. I don't think this comes out. It just pull it loose. Reach up in here. This is the filter here. You just got to yank it out for all you're worth. It kind of comes out. You got to pull it, squeeze it, and pull it down. That's all it takes to get it out. Now mine happens to be, which one do I have in here? It's a Wix. Not focusing. Well, 9309. I'm going to be replacing it with this model here. Hangst, I guess. E5979LC. I believe this is an OEM manufacturer for this. So went ahead and ordered that, and it appears to be the same size. So we're going to go ahead and do one more thing to help us get this back in. I'm now real great at feeding things blind. There's 2 screws. There's a screw here and a screw right here. I'm going to remove those. They're in Torx 27. Sorry, doing this one-handed is not the easiest thing in the world. Go ahead and loosen it. I hope this comes right out. I don't remember. I did this once before. Right there. Once again, I am just a guy working on his car. I'm not a vlogger, a YouTuber. Just trying to help out the group. Land Rover does not make this easy. I also have a Mini, and it's simpler to get the Mini one out. And I just pull this down, I believe. And now I can actually see where this filter goes. Goes up in that hole right here. My flashlight is. So now I can see what I'm aiming for. I'm much better at getting it in. Filter's got an arrow on it. It points towards the cabin. And then we just have to feed this up and in. And I'm not very good at this, am I? Sorry about all this. Hoping to do some helping here. Go ahead and we just have to fish this thing in. So it's a colossal pain in the butt to get in there, to fish it between here, here, and here. You wrestle that sucker and eventually it will go in. Gonna grab your piece here. It hinges. It's got these hinges here. You hinge it on and you snap it in. Once again, this is all pretty much done blind. Gotta find my hooks. I'm gonna set you down. So to set this back in, you got the 3 tabs here, but you got to set your hinges. One's here, here, the other one's down here. Then this hinges and you wait till it snaps in. Now it's all snapped in. Put our panels back in. This first one goes up in here and just snaps in. And then you put your 2 screws in, which I'll do off camera. And this one, where am I? This goes in there. And you just rotate them until they lock in place again. That one's locked in and locked in. So I'll put these 2 screws in and it'll be done.